Hello, this is James Warowski from S&W Technologies, and today we're going to do a short overview of our Guardian3 mobile app. This system can be used for safety observations, inspections, audits, pre-job briefings, etc. Our mobile app is native for both Android and iOS devices. It can be used on both phones and tablets, provides all functionality found in the web application, works online and offline, provides automatic uploading of data when connectivity is available, automatically captures the GPS coordinates for devices with a GPS chip, and allows for easy attachment of pictures. Some key points about our Guardian system are smart forms. This provides a wide variety of form layout options. The forms automatically adjust to the device. You can create forms for any type of inspection, audit, assessment, safety observation. No software programming is required. And published forms are immediately available via the browser or mobile app. We also have role-based form access. This allows you to create multiple roles, assign forms and people to the roles. Users can then only see the forms that they have been assigned to their roles. This provides easy management of form access by the users. We also have comprehensive action item functionality at 3 levels: general action items, observation level action items, and point level action items. And finally, we have comprehensive reporting for dashboards, ad hoc reporting, and report scheduling. Using the mobile app is easy. Download from the App Store, open the mobile app, log in, select a desired template, fill in the form, and save your work. Data is immediately uploaded to the Guardian server if working online, or stored locally if working offline, and then automatically uploaded when connectivity is reestablished. Now we're going to provide a short demo of the mobile app using Reflector to display the iPhone screen on my computer. So I'm going to pause. Now you can see the login screen for the Guardian app on my iPhone. So I'm going to click the sign in button, and that will bring me to the little welcome screen, which tells you how many observations you've done. And you can have there's a little create observation link there that you can click, and we'll take you right to the list of templates that you have available to you. So I'm going to click the driving, this is a driving template. I'm going to click the select template button, and that will open up the template on my screen. So you can see the upper part of the screen is already filled in, and the lower part contains 3 bands. This particular form uses the band layout, so we have things grouped together. Now, if I rotate my phone, you can see that the screen automatically rearranges itself so that I could work in the landscape mode. And then if I go back, I then have the app running in the normal portrait mode. So now what I'm going to do is click the general information section and scroll down. And here you can see some drop downs for corporate hierarchy. So I'm going to make some choices here. Let's quickly go through these. You can see there's a red asterisk next to each one. That indicates it's required. So if you do a validation step at the end, it will tell you whether you've completed everything or not. And I'm indicating that I observed 1 person. And here we have a place where you can also indicate people observed, and a place for general notes if that's appropriate. So I'm going to collapse this section back. And now I'm going to expand the conditions section, which contains 2 points: housekeeping and order and workplace conditions. And what I'm going to do is click a safe. This uses a numeric control, so I'm going to increment the safes. And then down to workplace conditions, I'm going to increment the at-risk, since I found an at-risk. And then what happens is this little box pops up, which allows you to make some selections from some choices. This is all configurable. And I'm going to indicate lighting and the bulb is out, and click OK. So now I've entered some additional comments. And I can go back to that screen just by clicking that little eye. So I can collapse the conditions band, and then I can work with the behaviors band and go through everything until I'm finished. Once I'm done, I can click the Save button, and now it's sending the data to the server, and it will give me a little green banner here to indicate that everything is done. So it's saved the observation to the server, and you also see at the top a little Add Action Item button has been displayed. So if I want to add an action item, I can click that button, and it gives me the ability to search any action items that might already be in the system. And I'm going to click the plus sign, and I can create a new action item, and I can either assign this to a Guardian user or a non-Guardian user. I can send a copy notification to somebody if I'd like. Then I can give the action item a title, fill in the text there. I can choose some categories if I'd like. Sometimes people like to categorize their action items to different priorities. And then I can indicate a due date here. And you notice how it turns red. As it's required and I didn't fill it in completely, it turns red. So I can also upload items like pictures or other documents right to the action item if I want. So it gives me the ability to take a picture, bring from my photo library, or browse somewhere else. So I'm going to cancel out of that, click OK. Now, I've already saved this observation, so I can cancel it. And it takes me back to the observation list page. I clicked something there. There we go. And in a second, it will refresh. It's refreshing. It's pulling down the, you can see the little progress bar here. It's pulling down the observations from the server that match my username. So it should be open in a second. There we go. So here you can see a list of observations that I've entered into the system, so I can actually open up that observation or any other observation that I've entered right here. So if I click the little pencil, it'll just open that observation right back up on my phone. So here's the one I just entered. Now, the next thing we could do is to switch over to the web application and see that this observation was actually uploaded to the web. So I'm going to pause briefly to do that. So here we are on the web version of the Guardian app, and I'm in the observation list for my observations, and here you can see the one that I just created, which was number 29, and uploaded from the phone. And if I click a little pencil, I can edit that. It will open the observation up. And if you recall, I had an at-risk here, and if I click the little sign, we had lighting, and I had bulb out. So as you can see, everything has been automatically synchronized. There's nothing I had to do to upload anything, just save it on the mobile device and up it goes. So that concludes this presentation of the Guardian mobile app. If you'd like more information, please visit our website at swtechnologies.com. I'll just refresh the screen, and we'll provide you any information we can. So thank you. Have a great day.